In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView Risk to Reward tool. This tool is one of the simplest ways to visualize your trade idea, understand exactly how much you're risking, and what your potential reward looks like before you enter a position. First, decide whether you're looking for a buy or a sell setup. On TradingView, the long position tool is used for buy trades, and the short position tool is used for sell or short trades. Select the one that matches your idea, then click once on the chart where you want to place your setup. Don't worry about being perfect at first. You can adjust everything afterward. As soon as you click, a colored box appears on your chart. The middle horizontal line represents your entry level. Below or above it, depending on the tool, you'll see a red area. That red zone is your stop loss, or your risk. On the opposite side, you'll see a green area. That green zone is your target, or your potential reward. Now, let's adjust these levels. Click and drag the middle line to move your entry price to the exact level where you plan to enter the trade. Next, grab the edge of the red section and drag it to the price where you want your stop loss to be. This is the point at which you'll exit if the trade goes against you. Then, click and drag the green section to set your take profit level, where you'll exit if the trade moves in your favor. As you move these lines, pay attention to the numbers TradingView displays, usually next to or inside the box. You'll see the risk to reward ratio, for example, 1 to 3. That means for every 1 unit you risk, you're aiming to make 3. So if you're risking $100, your potential profit would be $300. You'll also see the risk amount, the target amount, and the distance in points or percentage. Depending on your settings, you may even see an estimated position size. If you want to take this a step further, you can customize your account settings for more accurate position sizing. Double-click the tool on the chart to open the Properties window. Here, you can set your account size, for example $10,000, choose how much you want to risk per trade, such as 1%, and let TradingView calculate a position size based on that. To put this into a simple example, imagine your entry is at 100, your stop loss is at 98, and your target is at 106. You're risking 2 points to potentially gain 6 points. That's a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, clearly shown right on your chart.